This song sounds like he's saying "lady boy." Lady boy. People leave the stream. Awkward. Went to Thailand and got tricked by a lady boy. That's the remix. Corpse incoming. Just wanted to take count who was interested in Black Steel. Well, Anvil, wait, you said you joined it? You're part of the gang now?
Yes.
Oh shit. Anvil's the muscle. He's the bruiser. I like the requirements for Black Steel though. It's don't be a dick, pretty much. Ink torpedoes? Oh shit, shit, I'm coming. Fuck it. I'm just gonna drop this cap. I don't really care. Rule 1, don't be a dick. Exactly, right? What's Black Steel? It's System Error's porno name and Warship Gang. Kilo, what's up, man? Happened to me. I wish went. How much are you doing? What do you mean, Kilo? What's up, Kilo? How you been, man? Alright, we'll go start capping stuff now. You guys can kind of push up. I don't know where the other destroyer is. I'm good, man. I'm good. Good. Yeah, I have no idea where the Matsuki is, so just heads up on that. I'm good, man. What's going on? He's gonna see. We gonna see, bruh. Alright, buddy, we'll do it. There's the Matsuki. Oh, nice kill. Alright, cool. We got C cap. I'm gonna right into B cap. Start taking that. Ain't no big deal. Easy win coming, boys. Easy win. Yeah. Oh man, that Winston stank right now, boys. Oof. Dude, he just like rips them off, man. Like, if we need to like get answers out of ISIS, man, you just bottle this stuff and just send it over there. Those fuckers are gonna talk. All we gotta do. Oh, it's so bad. It stings the nostrils. Terrible. I'll have to say, Mijosh and I am impressed how you have the aim down for so many different ships. Big line, I can hit for anything. Well, I mean, it's all pretty easy, right? I mean, like, people... Windstank. That's such a good emo. A Windstank? Oh, man, that's so good. It's like, kind of like a Dan's gaming face, but just like with a cloud. Oh, that's kind of funny. But it's... Ah, did I fuck this up? You know, there's one simple thing that I'm looking at, and that doesn't change, and I'm looking at the travel time. No matter what ship I'm on, the travel time's always going to be the same, you know? So, even though if a ship has a lower trajectory, a shitty trajectory, the thing I'm looking for is this. So that's going to be the same on every ship. So, you just get that from playing lots and lots of ships. Is you get how fast a ship kind of goes just from playing a million fucking games. Get away from these guys a little bit. I mean, so that's the thing. I'm just like, well, I know generally how fast the Fuso is going to be going, and so seven seconds. No matter if I'm in a Benson, if I'm in a fucking whatever. Yeah. Dead. Yeah. I'm okay. So that's the part I'm always looking, you know. You gotta learn the lead time on all these fucking ships. That's the hardest part. But you know, Japanese cruisers tend to go the same fucking speed. Japanese battleships tend to go the same fucking speed. So you just kind of, and it's a little guesstimate, you know. I can't really shoot because this motherfucker is too close. Got the Amagi yesterday. This is how I did first game. Was it okay? I'm just gonna say fuck it and just start shooting. Give a serious question. What's up, dude? And yes, the world is flat. Better not be like, what is life kind of bullshit. Motherfuckers are trying to kill me. Ah! Stab! Hey, what's the serious question, bruh? This is like the best part of the song. First part's kind of weird, but this part's fucking awesome. What's up, dude? Dude, left flank is 10 out of 10. Would flank again. This part of the song is so sweet. Come here, little piggy. One fire, that's a dead giveaway. Are you on the left flank, dude? I got this shit, bruh. No flanks needed. On fire, you fuck. Because if not, it's an instant loss. They're trying to flank from the left side, but it ain't working. Come back, bruv. We gotta hunt down that Pensacola. That Pensacola's cracking, boys. That Pensacola's cracking. Sergeant, how's it going, dude? We have a couple sergeants in here now. Seriously though, is this game pay to win, or can you compete without? You can compete without spending a single cent on this game. A single cent, you can compete. Now there are ships that are better right now. Well, I think the Atago and the Kutuzov are like the two ships that are better for their tier. But you can compete. You can compete by far without spending a single cent on this game, man. Single cent. It's not like there's premium ammo. Pay to win? No, it's pay to get shit quicker, dude.
Sergeant Schultz just went down. I have to fight this New Mexico. I can't run up there.
Yeah. I didn't reach him. Not too far away. So make sure to keep that 11.2 away from everybody. Hold. Hold. You been playing team battles? Like, no, Nico wanted to play, Commander. Booty, 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 rocking everywhere. Fuck you. You fucking bitch.
Come on, I'm 7.5 kilometers away and everything's split around them.
Pensy, why you do this? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Oh my god, 44 life. Fuck you, game. Just enter, raffle, and win doubloons from Jish. Yep. Kraken height. Oh, 44 life. 44 life. Ah. That's it, man. That's all I needed. 44 life. Motherfucker. Missed on purpose. So basically I'll just suck for a while and then end up... Dude, you'll be good right now, man. Ah, that sucks. I thought we had it, boys. So close. So close.